When we make a report in Tally program, at that time date cannot be below financial year beginning date. This kind of error can show and we can solve it easily. I show you here two methods for solving this kind of date setting error. Number one, press Alt F2 button of keyboard, change the present date. Today is April 8. We have to make this date 24 to 25. So change this date 1 4 2024. Enter, and then 31 3 2025 and press enter. Yes. Then press escape, go to get a tally screen. Again, go to accounting voucher, make a report. I show you just capital account. Then press enter and choose debit. And debit is a cash. And then write a narration, something. And then again press enter. Yes, now the screen is accepting. In this way, we can set the date. Number two, close this program and uninstall it, then remove history of this program, again reinstall, then your problem will be solved. I show you this process. First of all, I want to close this program. Wait, yes. Uninstall this program, go to control panel and then click on install. I scroll and then select this Tally program and then right click and uninstall it. Uninstall. Then click on done. Close it. Go to location of this Tally program and C drives. Go to program and file. You will see here this Tally programs histories. So you will see here. So delete this. Go to this PC local C program and file and then choose it and then click delete and continue. Yes, it's deleted. And then go to location of this files. To that, go to again this PC and go to C drive. Go to user and then click public. By default, Tally programs data will be stored in this place, so select it and then delete it. Yes, it's deleted. After then, reinstall it again in your PC. I have downloaded and saved in my this folder Tally RP 2020, and this is my previous year's downloaded file. I want to run this now. Click here and then right click and open it. Click on installs. This process has been completed. Click on John. First time after install, this screen will be displayed, and go to work in education mode and then click yeah. In this way we can install this Tally software in your computer. And again I want to make one report called F3, yeah, it's company info, and then go to create company. Yes, ABC company, it's my ABC1 company is ready now. Make a report here again. For that, one simple ledger here. Go to ledger, create CAP capital AC. I want to save this ledgers. Get with Tally and then click counting vouchers. After install, set some settings for this. For that, press F12 single entry mode. You make a no, type in, and then I want to use credit and debit options. Make a yes. Save, Control A for save screen. again and go to accounting vouchers. Then I want to enter this report. For that it's related with this receipt voucher, so press F6 receipt voucher and click credit. My credit in this case it's capital account, it's credit, so the value 1 to thousands. I just want to place this thousands and then press enter. And debit it's cash, so choose this cash options and write a narrations here. We when still started business by BBC and press enter. Yes, now the screen is going to accept and press again yes. Yeah, process is done. Now there is no error in my screen. In this way we can solve date error.